Excuse me. All right. Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. Hello, Mr. Connolly here today. I want to go over Phase Red. What's going to be the same? What's going to be similar? What's going to be different? And what the expectations are, and how you are going to be able to meet those expectations. Right. So I want to start off with the schedule. Right. The schedule is a little different. Then we start with Phase Red in August. Right. So. Last time, right, you only went to 4 of your periods, and then the other 4 you did the asynchronous work. This time around, however, you are going to be logging into your live session every single period, every single day, Monday through Friday. So that's part a little bit different than it was last time, right? So here's your schedule. If you would like to take a screenshot of it, that would be very good of you, right? So first period is going to start at 8:05 and at 8:40. You get a little bit of a break, right? Until 8:54, second period, and so on and so forth, right? So for my class, if you're in whichever period you are in, make sure you are finding what time we do start. And I would encourage you to join the live session a few minutes before we start. That way, if Microsoft Teams is acting up for you guys, you can troubleshoot. You have some time to troubleshoot. And also, I don't want you guys missing any sort of instruction, right? So maybe you join at 9:40, but it lags, and you're actually in at 9:42 if you're in third period, right? Well, then you might have missed some instructions that will need to be repeated. So I would just try to log in about 3 or 4 minutes before class starts. That way you can troubleshoot, and that way, like if it lags, it's no big deal if it does. So make sure you can tell me what time your class starts for social studies, because that's going to be part of your exit ticket. Let's move on to Canvas. So you guys are expected to join my live session every single day. I'm going to have a live session every day for every one of my periods. So make sure that you are indeed joining that. So our first day of Red is going to be on Wednesday. So this is not the home page yet. This will be the home page come Wednesday morning. So our first day on Red is on Wednesday, right? So we're going to scroll down to Wednesday, December 9th, right? And if you're in eighth grade watching this, just pretend like it's your page. So I'm going to click here. And that's going to bring me to a page that looks like this. That's very similar. It's the exact same page I've been using pretty much the entire year. You are then going to click on your correct period. This is very important that you do so. So if you're actually in 8th period and you accidentally click on 6th, you will not be able to get in because there are going to be different links. So please make sure you are clicking on your correct period, right? So let's say you're a student in 6th period. Right? So I would, not home, because that's not the home page yet. So if you're in 6th period, right, I'm scrolling down to Wednesday, December 9th. I'm going to click there. And I'm going to click on the 6th. That is right here. I'm then going to click on the link. And remember, I do expect you to click on the link a little bit before. When you do click on the link, you're expected to have your microphones turned off. And you're expected to have your cameras turned on. I do ask that your cameras are indeed on during this time. And that is kind of the goal there. That's kind of the expectation I have. So expectations, right? You are to come to every single live session, unless you cannot, in which case you need to let me know on Canvas. You are to join a few minutes before class starts. That way, if you have any troubleshooting or lag time, that gets resolved, no problem. You are to make sure you're clicking on the correct period, and you are to join with that. And I just realized I clicked on period 3, so I apologize about that. Alrighty, so make sure you complete that exit ticket, guys, and I will see you all soon. Goodbye, goodbye.